Hi everyone, welcome to Green Habit Studio. Have you ever felt like your body is trying to tell you something, but you just can't figure out what? What if I told you those changes that just don't make sense might not be random, but actually messages from deep inside your gut? We often think gut health is just about digestion, but your gut is like the command center of your entire body. It is home to trillions of bacteria, a complex community known as your gut microbiome. When that ecosystem is thriving, it supports your digestion, immune system, even your brain. But when it's out of balance, a condition called dysbiosis, the ripple effects show up all over your body. Today, we're breaking down the 7 biggest red flags that your gut might be begging for help. And trust me, you'll want to hear the last one. It's one of the most overlooked signs, and it could be the missing piece to how you've been feeling lately. Let's get started then. Frequent digestive issues. This one might sound obvious, but it's also the most overlooked. If you're often dealing with bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, or heartburn, that's a sign your gut needs help. Occasional digestive discomfort happens to everyone, maybe after a heavy meal or a stressful day, but when these issues become frequent, they signal that something deeper is going on. Most often, it's a sign of an imbalanced gut microbiome, the bacteria living inside you that help break down food, absorb nutrients, and protect against harmful microbes. That imbalance can slow digestion, increase inflammation, and trigger the uncomfortable symptoms we tend to ignore. If you're relying on antacids or digestive aids week after week, it's worth paying attention. Your body isn't just being difficult, it's telling you that your gut health needs support and balance restored. Unexpected food intolerances. Have you noticed that foods you used to enjoy suddenly leave you feeling bloated, sluggish, or uncomfortable? That change isn't just a normal part of getting older. It's often your gut trying to tell you something. When your gut microbiome becomes imbalanced, it can weaken and damage the protective barrier of your intestinal lining. This leads to a condition often referred to as leaky gut, where tiny gaps in the gut wall allow partially digested food particles and toxins to slip into the bloodstream. Your immune system sees these particles as threats and reacts, even if those foods were perfectly fine for you before. This new sensitivity can show up in many ways: bloating, gas, fatigue, headaches, skin flare-ups, or even mood changes after eating. If dairy, gluten, or even certain fruits and vegetables suddenly don't sit well with you, it's a strong sign your gut is struggling to maintain balance and protect you, and it's time to listen to those signals. Stubborn weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Your metabolism isn't just about how much you eat or how hard you work out. It's also deeply influenced by the bacteria living in your gut. These microbes play a crucial role in how your body breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, regulates fat storage, and even controls hunger and fullness signals. Some types of gut bacteria are more efficient at extracting calories from the same amount of food, while others help regulate hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which influence appetite and fat storage. When the balance of this ecosystem is disrupted, the entire system goes off track. The result? You might gain weight even when your diet hasn't changed, or find that losing weight feels nearly impossible despite exercising and eating carefully. Inflammation caused by an unhealthy gut can also slow metabolism and encourage the body to store more fat. So if your usual strategies aren't working, it may not be a lack of willpower. Your gut might simply be working against you. Skin problems. This one surprises a lot of people. Your skin is often a direct reflection of what's going on inside your gut. Scientists call this powerful connection the gut-skin axis, and it explains why so many stubborn skin conditions, from acne and eczema to psoriasis and unexplained rashes, are linked to gut imbalance and inflammation. When your gut microbiome is out of balance, harmful bacteria can trigger systemic inflammation and compromise the gut lining. This allows toxins to enter the bloodstream, which can then fuel immune reactions that show up on your skin. Additionally, an unhealthy gut can alter the way your body metabolizes nutrients like zinc, vitamin A, and essential fatty acids, all of which are vital for healthy, glowing skin. So, if topical creams, serums, or treatments never seem to solve the problem, it's likely because they're only addressing the surface. Real change often starts deeper. By supporting your gut health, through diet, stress reduction, and lifestyle changes, you can calm inflammation at its source and often see dramatic improvements in your skin from the inside out. Mood swings and brain fog. Here's where things get really fascinating. Your gut isn't just about digestion. It's deeply connected to your brain and how you feel every single day. This powerful communication network is called the gut-brain axis, and scientists now know it plays a crucial role in mood, focus, and emotional balance. Around 90% of your serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for feelings of happiness and well-being, is actually produced in your gut, not your brain. So when your gut is inflamed, imbalanced, or struggling, your body's ability to produce and regulate these mood-related chemicals can drop dramatically. That's why issues like unexplained anxiety, sudden mood swings, irritability, or that frustrating mental fog are often rooted in gut health, not just stress or lack of sleep. Your microbiome even communicates directly with your brain through the vagus nerve, constantly influencing how you think and feel. If your emotions feel unpredictable or your focus isn't what it used to be, it's worth looking inward, literally. Your gut might be sending signals your brain can't ignore. Frequent illnesses or low immunity. Did you know that around 70% of your immune system actually lives in your gut? That's because your gut microbiome plays a critical role in training and regulating immune responses. When it's healthy and balanced, it helps your body recognize harmful invaders and fight them off efficiently. But when it's disrupted, your immune defenses can become either too weak or overactive. If you catch every cold that goes around, take longer to recover from illness, or constantly feel run down, your gut might be the hidden reason. An imbalanced microbiome can leave your firewall wide open, making it easier for viruses, bacteria, and infections to slip through. Supporting your gut health is one of the most powerful ways to strengthen your body's natural defense system from the inside out. Poor sleep and constant fatigue. Here's one most people never connect. Your gut could be quietly sabotaging your sleep and draining your energy. Your gut microbiome plays a major role in producing and regulating key hormones like melatonin and cortisol, which control your body's internal clock and sleep-wake rhythm. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, this delicate system can become disrupted. You might find yourself tossing and turning, waking up during the night, or sleeping for hours, but still feeling exhausted in the morning. Poor gut health can also increase inflammation and stress hormone levels, which further interfere with deep, restorative sleep. And here's the kicker. Lack of quality sleep then makes gut health worse, creating a vicious cycle that impacts everything from your mood and memory to your immune system. If constant fatigue is part of your life, it might be time to look into your gut. It could be the missing piece. So here's the truth. Your body is always talking to you, and your gut is one of the loudest voices in that conversation. The signals it sends might be subtle, but they're never random. And the best part? It's never too late to support and restore your gut health. It's not about overnight transformations. It's about small, consistent choices that add up over time and change the way you feel. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into practical steps you can take to nurture your gut and unlock more energy, balance, and resilience in your daily life. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our community here at Green Habit Studio. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What's one change you're ready to make for your gut health starting today? Share it in the comments below. Remember, when you take care of your gut, you're taking care of every part of your well-being. Thanks for watching Green Habit Studio. See you in the next video.